As an iPhone user, you must have figured out that it's almost impossible to use any song as your ringtone. Except you pay, right? In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use any song, and I mean any song, as your ringtone for absolutely free. It's super easy, anyone can do it. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Is come to your apps and look for an app called GarageBand. By default, this app comes with iPhone, but if you've deleted it by mistake, just make sure you head over to the App Store and search for it again and download it. One thing you need to be aware of is that this app is very big and it can really suck your data, so just make sure you have enough data for that before you download it. Now once you're done downloading it, just open it. You would see this welcome page on the app. Just click on continue. Click on continue again, and now you'll see that I'd already created a ringtone before. This Chris Brown Go Crazy. So we are going to create another one together. So what you're going to do now is click on this record icon here. Just click on it. Now you will see this screen. One thing you need to do is make sure that this icon here is showing white. I really don't know what that icon is. I don't know the name, so just make sure that it's on white. After doing that, you can now click on this other icon here that looks like a brick wall. It's actually not a brick wall, it's a timeline. So for those of you that are used to softwares like Premiere Pro and After Effects, you should be familiar with it. So essentially it gives you the ability to compose different sounds and assets to even form a different composition. So what we are going to do now is click on this other icon here, which is a loop icon. This will enable us to add assets, sounds, and whatever timeline. So just click on it. Now you'd see all the files that you have on your iPhone. It could be files or songs downloaded from the internet. It could be from wherever, as long as they are files on your iPhone. You see them here. Also, you can come to the music and you can use songs that you synchronized with your Apple Music. I have Go Crazy, but I really don't want to use it because I used it in the other one I created. So I'm just going to go back and I'm going to select this Sweet in the Middle. I kind of like this song, so when you touch it, you hear it play, but that's not what we want. So you're going to hold it down and drag it up. Now you're just going to place it on the timeline and give it a few seconds. It's going to load. Now what you're going to do is because it's a ringtone, you're definitely not going to have the full song as your ringtone. So what you can do is you can crop it accordingly. So to do that, you can readjust using the handles. You can readjust and maybe push it to the beginning again. But for me, I'm okay with this song, the beginning. I really don't know what he was singing there. My Pamio. It's kind of nice, so I like it. Anyways, just shift it to the beginning. And once you're done making all your adjustments, you can hit play to hear what's done so far. And if you're okay with that, you can go ahead and export it or save it. So to save it, you just click on this arrow, this triangle over here. Just click on it, you see my songs, and you just make sure you select it. Now it's going to save it, and once it's done saving it, it's going to name it My Song. And as you can see, it's almost done saving. I don't know why it disappeared, but if you come on that browse, you see it there. I think it's actually trying to upload to iCloud, and that's why it's disappeared. But anyways, we just give it a few seconds. Once it's done, you hold it down and you click on rename. The song is I would like to use the original song, so the original name. So I'll just rename it to Davido Sweet in the Middle, and click on done. So I have an error there, but it's not something you should be worried about. That's an error to upload to iCloud. So once you are done saving it as you like, just hold it down, and then you will see share. You hit share, and now you have three options. You can share it as a song, you can share it as a ringtone, you can share it as another project that you can also import back into GarageBand to even form more complex composition. But in this case, I'm more interested in exporting it or saving it as a ringtone, so I'll just hit ringtone. Now it's going to also give you a notification that this is going to be 30 seconds or less, so it's just something you should already know that it's a ringtone, it's not a full song. So we just click on continue. And now you also have the option again to re-enter the name of the theme I've already used, so I'll just leave it as it is and just click on export. Now it's going to take a few seconds. It's going to show exporting as ringtone, and once that is done, you can click on OK. The next thing you're going to do is minimize this app now. Just minimize it, and then you go to your settings and make sure that you can now see your new ringtone there. So scroll down to sounds and haptics, and then you go to ringtone, and there you can see that sweet in the middle is now an option for you to select. So you can hit it, and that's your new ringtone. So I hope you learned something new. If you want to see more videos like this, just make sure you share this video and hit the subscribe button. See you in the next.